Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Easy Busy Code. Here I mostly concentrate on front-end technology, that is Angular. And today, we're diving into the exciting world of web development with an in-depth introduction to Angular. Today we are going to cover 4 topics, that is, Introduction to Angular, Advantages of using Angular, Setting up your development environment, Creating your first Angular project. Angular framework developed and maintained by Google. It enables developers to build robust and dynamic single-page applications, SPAs, with ease. By leveraging the power of Angular, you can create seamless, responsive, and user-friendly web experiences that leave a lasting impression on. Next topic, advantages of using Angular. 1. Modularity and reusability. Angular's component-based architecture promotes modularity, allowing you to break down your application into smaller, self-contained components. 2. Two-way data binding. Angular's two-way data binding feature ensures that any changes made to the data model are automatically reflected in the view, and vice versa. 3. Dependency injection. Angular's built-in dependency injection system facilitates loose coupling between components and services. For cross-platform development, Angular supports building applications that can run on various platforms, including web browsers, desktops, and mobile devices. Next topic, setting up your development environment. Setting up the Angular development environment involves a few essential steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First step, install Node.js and NPM. Angular requires Node.js, a JavaScript runtime, to run. Download and install the latest version of Node.js from the official website, https://nodejs.org. Node.js comes bundled with NPM, Node Package Manager, which you'll use to install Angular CLI and manage dependencies. Second step, install Angular CLI. Open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Install Angular CLI globally by running the following command. This command will install the Angular CLI globally on your system, making it accessible from any directory. Step 3. Verify Angular CLI installation. After the installation is complete, verify that the Angular CLI has been installed successfully by running the following command. This command will display the version of Angular CLI and other related packages installed. Step 4. Create a new Angular project. Now, it's time to create a new Angular project. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your project using the terminal or command prompt. Run the following command to generate a new Angular project. This command will create a new folder with the project name and set up a basic Angular application structure. Step 5. Navigate to the project directory. Change your current working directory to the newly created project folder. Step 6. Serve the Angular application. To see your application in the browser, use the Angular CLI serve command. Run the following command. This will compile your Angular application and start a development server. By default, the application will be accessible at http://localhost 4200/. Step 7. Open the application in the browser. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 4200/. You should see your new Angular application running successfully.